Hello guys, Nepal Times here, welcome to a new video, and today we have a moment I've been waiting for quite some time, well actually since it was announced, which is the unboxing of the HomePod Mini. Okay, so sorry for the setup and the lighting, I know, but yeah, so HomePod Mini was announced with the iPhone 12 family last September, and it came out just yesterday, I believe. And I pre-ordered it the day it was available for pre-order, and I got it. So this is pretty exciting because, as you may know, I moved to the UK, and my large HomePod stayed in my house in Spain. So right now I didn't have like a good way of listening to music. I did bring along this JBL speaker, which I love, but yeah, I've come to be such a fan of the convenience that the HomePod offers, and this Mini was a great alternative because I may not want to spend like the 300 euro that one cost again, because I already have one. And yeah, this is supposed to sound good, be all the good things for HomePod, for HomeKit as well. I do have some HomeKit accessories here. So yeah, this was just like a must get, and actually pretty good timing for Apple to release this. So we're gonna proceed to the unboxing. I do not have a knife. I should probably get one. Oh no, with my nail it's going to do. And yeah, so this does not have like the usual pull tab that Apple accessories have lately, which is weird. And okay, are you ready? Which side should we do it? Let's do it this side, it's the coolest. Okay, here we go. Ah! There it is, it's so tiny. Oh my god. It's really like, I didn't expect it to be huge, but this is so tiny. Oh my god. Like, compare it to an iPhone like Pro or Max size. I mean, Plus or Max size. This is so tiny. Oh my god. So on the top we do have the screen. Of course, we do get a braided cable, which is like way thinner than the normal HomePod, and it ends in USB-C. Why is that? Well, that is because, unlike literally any other accessory Apple has released this year, this does include the brand new 20-watt power adapter, which this is the UK version of. And let's pull this apart. Oh, actually this does have a pull tab. And yeah, so I don't know how this works. Oh, ooh, that's cool. I like this. So this is convenient to store it, and then when you have to use it, you just do this, and it's here. I like it. So this ends in USB-C. You can connect it here, and boom, connect it to the power, which we're going to do in a minute. But first, nothing else on the box. Here we did get this cardboard. Let me take something out of the way. Here we have HomePod Mini, and do we get Apple stickers? Yes, we do. Actually, it's like really sticker because it's stuck here. Okay, and this one is actually square. The sheet for the sticker is square, whereas the regular larger HomePod was actually round. So another thing I really like about this ending in USB-C and with the 20-watt power adapter is the fact that, so for example, now I'm in the UK, I have the UK plug, but as you know, I'm from Spain, so if I were to take this to Spain, I just need to change this. Whereas the normal HomePod ended in like a plug, and if I had wanted to take that to the UK, I would have to get an adapter, and with all the hassle that it means. So again, really good timing for Apple for all this. But yeah, now I'm going to plug this in and we will see how it works. Okay, so before actually turning the plug on, I will say that the cable is fairly long, but not super long. I'd say it's under 2 meters, maybe 1.5 meters. And yeah, on the bottom we get the Apple logo. On the top, the screen with the volume buttons. So yeah, this, according to Apple, will not leave the white marks on a wooden surface, which is always good. Now I'm going to turn the plug on, and we will see what happens. So as I said, this is so tiny, like for real, like it's actually super tiny. Yeah, so I was recording the screen, like this is this is very tiny. I can't wait to see. Ooh, hello, HomePod Mini. Okay, so we have this setup screen here. I'm in Coventry, and this is here. And your next appointment today. Okay, yeah, I want to use this. I want to use it in the HomePod. I do agree to terms and conditions. And I want to transfer my settings. Now I have to center the HomePod. Oh, okay. This is loud. I don't know how sound quality will be, but this is loud, I can tell you that. Setting up. And yeah, so this is compatible with intercom. It can also act as a home hub for your HomeKit home. And yeah, and the $99 price, or euro or pound, is actually pretty good to like fill your house with all this. I live in a shared apartment, so I'm not gonna do that. But whenever I live like in my own house, I will have one of these in every single room, and then in some of the rooms I'll have a larger one. But yeah, so don't expect the sound quality of this one to be like the big one. So of course it's bigger and more expensive, so Apple can fit more hardware in it. But still, coming from Apple, how they're doing lately in all the products, like the iPad speakers.
Hola, soy Siri. Te doy la bienvenida al HomePod. No puedes verlo, pero te estoy saludando con la mano. Para que te atienda, di, oye Siri.
Oye
Empecemos.
Siri.
Di, oye Siri, ¿qué sabes hacer?
Oye Siri, ¿qué sabes hacer?
Puedo hacer un montón de cosas. Por ejemplo, encender las luces, mostrarte noticias de última hora y darte información sobre el tiempo. Ahora inténtalo tú. Di, oye Siri, pon algo de música.
Oye Siri, pon algo de música.
Estoy en ello. De acuerdo. Aquí tienes una emisora de radio creada especialmente para ti.
Okay. I don't want to get a copyright strike, that's why I posted it. I hate YouTube like for this, having to do this, like doing a review of a speaker is so complicated. But yeah, so I will listen to it more, of course, but I will also do a full review on this. So any question you want to know about this HomePod Mini, let me know down below in the comments, and I will address it in the full review. Also, yeah, the very short bit of music that we heard, as you noticed, it's not as bass, it's like more higher pitched sound. I would say that the regular HomePod, however, very loud, and I don't even know if it was on max volume, and very good. So yeah, I think this is gonna be it for the video. I will, as I said, I will have a full review. Let me know down below in the comments what you want me to address on that review, and subscribe and hit the bell on the channel to be notified when I upload that review or any other Apple related video, which I do every single week, actually lately several times a week. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.